Power back to the survivors.
State lawmakers are expected to vote next week on the Child Victims Act. It comes after years of debate and could be a huge step in the healing process for victims of sexual abuse.
7 Eyewitness News reporter Nikki Dementri is on this story, all new at 11.
It's a very important moment for the people who had the courage to come forward when very few people were able to talk about this.
That moment, many believe, will come Monday in New York State, when lawmakers are expected to pass the proposed Child Victims Act after years of debate. Steve Boyd is an attorney who represents close to 20 survivors of sexual assault here in the Buffalo Diocese.
They failed the children of their flock that were sexually abused by priests in every single way they could.
If passed, the law would expand the statute of limitations for criminal felonies from 23 to 28 years old, and most impactfully, from 23 years old to 55 years old for civil cases.
While the church has fought so hard to prevent transparency, those days are done.
It would also open a look-back window, allowing victims under the age of 55 1 year to sue institutions like the Catholic Church. If the bill is passed Monday and signed into law by Governor Andrew Cuomo, it would take 6 months to go into effect.
Those of us that have been advocating for a Child Victims Act are happy that there will be a Child Victims Act. It's a double-edged sword because, I really feel for those people that are not going to be protected by the new act.
New York is one of the last states to overhaul the law. Governor Cuomo saying in a statement, quote, "In New York, this ends now," urging lawmakers to pass this critical legislation. After spending millions of dollars lobbying against it, New York's bishops have reportedly dropped their opposition after some concessions from the state.
For many people, I think that because there will be a Child Victims Act, they will be able to seek justice and find some healing that is long overdue.
Survivors are telling me tonight that they are celebrating this news. One went on to say that, quote, "The voices that were silenced can now finally be heard." Live in the newsroom tonight, Nikki Dementri, 7 Eyewitness News.
Okay.